All right. Cube number 2. What are you thinking? Ooh.
First right there.
Really? Do number 1. Okay. Here it goes. We have 3 more commons. Who do you want to see next? Sorceress, Man-at-Arms, or Panther? You don't know?
Honestly, the same one, so I can unbox.
Is that what it is? You want another Skeletor so we can take him out of the package? Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Love the Rubik's Cube action, and then... boom! Alright! 2
common.
cubes, 2 commons. Halfway to our first set.
Yay.
Look at how cool. She looks great. Look at that. These guys did such a great job. Again, we're kind of right in the middle on that number there. All right. Great. 2 more. Anyway, everybody's like, I want Grails. I want Ultra Grails. I'm like, you know what? We want those too. But first, we got to get the classics. I love it. I love that you like the classics with me too. So cool. All right. More coming at you.
Yeah.